So the second project we did with the Thayer team is when we moved in here, the roof here was original. There was a tiny little hot tub and a sauna back over here, right? In the first couple of years, it sort of worked. It was also a circa 1985. We bring the hot tub guy out and he's like, oh my God, right? So it was the first time we started working with Jeff, and we kind of laid out this whole patio system, right? We preserved the original roof line, we extended it here. We put in sort of a hot tub that actually worked and is modern. When we got into the old sauna, the mice had got into it. Matter of fact, the guy said, it's amazing you didn't electrocute yourselves here. And so we kind of redid this entire thing. They did a great job. Again, the same level of quality. Jeff just going through and making sure that it was absolutely, top notch, and it's a great space for us.